Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Friday, September 19th, 2025. The 24-hour lightning total map shows around 1,417 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. The 24-hour precipitation total map shows only spotty areas of wetting rain, with amounts generally averaging 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, though locally up to 1/2 of an inch or more out of heavier showers and thunderstorms in portions of the mid-coast Mendocino, Northwest Mountains, and far southern northern Sierra Mountains. Amounts in the Greater Bay Area averaged only a few hundredths of an inch, with similarly light amounts in portions of the southern Sacramento Valley that saw any shower activity, with little to no precipitation in the northern Sacramento Valley, northeast, and east. This morning's water vapor loop shows broad troughing over California with abundant mid-level moisture over NorthOps. Visible satellite imagery shows extensive cloud cover over NorthOps, with thunderstorm activity that continued last night, still ongoing in western portions of the area. 500 millibar forecast maps show the broad upper level trough overhead gradually weakening today and tonight. Upper level ridging will build in from the southeast on Saturday, with a closed low developing offshore. An upper level trough crossing the Pacific Northwest on Sunday will brush past northeast portions of NorthOps, with upper level ridging building in along the coast behind it Sunday night and overhead Monday. Precipitation graphics show shower and thunderstorm activity continuing to expand this afternoon, with the greatest thunderstorm coverage focused along the northwest mountains and the potential to continue through late evening, with more isolated shower and thunderstorms possible tonight. Showers and thunderstorms will develop along the mountains Saturday afternoon and evening and continue in the northeast through late evening. Isolated shower and thunderstorm activity will return to a more limited extent on Sunday, mainly focused along the northern Sierra Mountains. Wind and relative humidity forecast graphics for early this morning show areas of moderate overnight relative humidity recoveries continuing along slopes and ridges, with some areas of poor recoveries focused in the northeast and to more localized extent in portions of the southeast Bay Area hills. A fairly light wind pattern will continue this morning, with breezy west-southwest to northwest winds locally gusting 15 to 25 miles an hour developing through coastal gaps this afternoon and evening, and gusty outflow winds possible near thunderstorms. Inland minimum relative humidities will generally range in the 30s and 40s, with a drier air mass persisting in the far northeast with minimum relative humidities in the upper teens to 20s. Winds will become light downslope tonight, with good recoveries across most of the area and more limited moderate recoveries lingering along a few mid-slope and ridge areas. Shallow onshore flow will begin deepening somewhat along the coast Saturday afternoon, with west-southwest winds of 20 to 30 miles an hour developing through the Greater Bay Area and across the Delta, south winds of 15 to 25 miles an hour in the east, and south-southeast winds of 10 to 15 miles an hour up the Sacramento Valley. Inland minimum relative humidities will range in the 30s and 40s. Winds will diminish through all but Greater Bay Area coastal gaps Saturday night, with more broadly breezy west-southwest to northwest winds gusting 20 to 30 miles an hour developing Sunday afternoon and evening, and inland relative humidities lowering into the 20s and 30s with a few pockets of upper teens. 500 millibar forecast graphics for Monday through Thursday show ridging continuing to strengthen overhead Monday and remaining in place Tuesday, anchored by an upper level low to the south. The low will move onshore across SouthOps around Wednesday, with additional ridging building in from the west Thursday. Precipitation forecast graphics show dry conditions NorthOps wide for Monday through Thursday, though model uncertainty does exist regarding if any of the moisture in SouthOps will make it up into southern portions of NorthOps midweek. Wind graphics show breezy north-northwest to northeast overnight through morning winds developing Sunday night and returning Monday night, with locally breezy northwest to northeast winds favoring northern ridges in the afternoons and shallow onshore flow developing along the coast midweek. Above normal temperatures will develop Monday and peak around Tuesday, with relative humidities lowering significantly under the influence of the drying offshore flow early week. The NorthOps significant fire potential outlook shows mainly low risk for the next 7 days, with new ignitions from lightning today and Saturday the main short-term concern, followed by warming and drying Monday and Tuesday. The SouthOps outlook shows little to no risk conditions for the next 7 days. And now to sum up the NorthOps fire weather highlights. Broad upper-level troughing will gradually weaken, with remnant tropical mid-level moisture and instability lingering over portions of NorthOps today through Saturday. Upper-level ridging will build in from the southeast Saturday, then from the northwest Sunday afternoon through Monday. Shower and thunderstorm activity will continue today, with the greatest concentration of thunderstorms focused over the northwest this afternoon and evening, and the potential to continue tonight. Shower and thunderstorm activity will return to the mountains Saturday afternoon and evening, with more isolated coverage possible in the east Sunday before tapering off to drier conditions early next week. Shallow onshore flow today will gradually deepen Saturday and Sunday, broadening breezy afternoon and evening southwest to northwest winds, with breezy north-northwest to northeast winds developing Sunday night into early week.